We're having a look at 7411 Spence's Way in Lantzville, a build by Tycott Homes and CA Design. Couldn't be happier with the level of quality. Open living spaces, great level of cabinetry, and then as you can see, great connection to the outdoor space. So tons of windows on both the front and rear of the home. Outdoor living space is massive. It's 0.6 of an acre. It's south-facing rear yard with no neighbor to the south. So just a beautiful level of living here right on the edge of Nanaimo and the Lantzville community. This specific home sold, but we do have another one coming up right next door that's just at the lockup phase. It's a sprawling rancher style, 3-car garage, and then again, that 0.6 of an acre with great connection to that outdoor living. So that one should be complete in about 3 to 4 months' time, and you can have a look at some of the details there at spencesway.ca.